Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special car that we're going to be working on, and that is an F81 M3. I know what some of you guys are thinking, BMW never made such a thing. They didn't, but there's a few owners out there that have gone to the lengths of actually recreating that themselves. So this car is a touring shell, and it has everything an M3 would have if it came from the factory. So it has the M3 engine, the gearbox, the running gear, the interior, and even the wide arches. So this car is here having some choice modifications, which we're going to look at right now. So he's having the CSF Charge Cooler, the Eventuri carbon charge pipes, Eventuri V2 carbon intake, and it's also going to have our stage 2 package, which involves fitting our downpipes and applying our stage 2 tune. So Hash is going to get these parts on the car, and I'll join you afterwards. So Hash has finished with this lovely F81 M3. So let's take a look under the bonnet and have a look at the lovely carbon goodies we fitted. Car also has a CS bonnet just like Viper does, so it really finishes the car off. Under the bonnet we've got the V2 Eventuri carbon intake. The difference between the V1 and the V2 is that on the V2 it's fully enclosed. Eventuri carbon charge pipes, which are very popular at the moment. Also the CSF Charge Cooler, and in terms of additional power we fitted a set of evolved downpipes and also applied our stage 2 map, so the car will be running between 530 and 540 horsepower. Now I'm not going to drive this car today, weather's very bad, it's very slippery out there and not going to be able to do any meaningful driving, but when the weather does get better we will do a video with our friend Nick's F81 M3, which is the San Marino blue one, which you've probably seen around, and we'll get them both together and do a proper review on both the cars. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below and we will do our best to answer them for you.